Even Uber is conspiring against me today? First I lose the French Open final, now I can't even get a ride. This must be some kind of cosmic magic too.
Need a ride? I know you're probably expecting a fancy car service, but this Honda Civic is all I've got.
What the hell, Coco? Are you actually serious right now? The girl who just beat me is now my Uber driver? This day cannot get any weirder.
Hop in, world number one. This is my side hustle while I'm collecting Grand Slam trophies. Gotta pay for all those tennis lessons somehow, right? So where are we headed? Please don't tell me it's straight to Mykonos for that famous tequila and gummy bear recovery session you mentioned.
Charles de Gaulle Airport, Terminal 2A. And that comment about Mykonos was very funny. Thanks for bringing up my most embarrassing moment of the day.
45-minute ride through Paris traffic. Perfect. That gives us plenty of time to chat about all those magical, mystical tennis shots you mentioned in your press conference.